So more foodie stuff from me, and I'm moving into something that's, thankfully, the shops are starting to put in different ranges. I guess because we're getting to the holiday season, so they're bringing some of the stuff, or new stuff, I don't know. So first up, 7 days croissant with Spumante flavour filling. Can I have... Interestingly, this is in Czech text, so it might not be Polish. Where is it? I don't know what Spumante is. Quick to the Googles. What is Spumante? Prosecco? So it's going to have a sort of winey flavour? It's got an interesting smell. It's certainly not like a usual croissant. It smells artificial. That's probably not a good thing, but that's... Also, that's a weird looking croissant. Artificial croissant going in. Oh, I'm stealing the lines from bloody Report of the Week by accident. Sorry with you, brah. Oh, there it is. There is a filling inside it. Somewhere in the middle. Not bad. Not bad. Not great. If I can find my... The drink today is sparkling water because I forgot the Coke. Slash Pepsi, slash whatever it was going to be. Because, you know me, I just take the bottles and refill them. Saves plastic, you see. So now we've got a different croissant. This one has cocoa inside it. Now I've had like Pano Chocolat, so I'm thinking we're not going to be too dissimilar to that. You can sort of see the cocoa a little bit on the top. I guess it's running inside it. That's probably where it was injected in with like big needles, so it's like gross. Anyway, let's see. Oh, we're nearly there. There's a twinge of chocolate in the first bite. Again, it doesn't really have the texture of a croissant, I would say. Not really. But all in all, still pretty good. As a sort of a breakfast filler thing, it probably would suffice. So now we're moving on to some more snacky stuff. Still don't know what the title of this is going to be because it's just yet more random stuff that I found in the world food aisle. So this is Biscuit. So according to the back, this is biscuits. They were saying they were like sponge biscuits or something. Wheat, flour, sugar, egg. Wow, 26% egg. Okay, so I guess that's why they're saying sponge. Glucose, fructose, spirit, canola oil, potato starch, wheat starch, E numbers. So I don't know. I can't remember. The description that they have on the label actually sort of gives you more of a hint as to what it is. It said sponge, and I was like, well, they don't look very spongy. I mean, yeah, it's sort of. There is, like, I'm making a dent in it. There is sort of a dent. Get the right angle. So, I guess they're soft-ish, but they're pretty hard-topped, so let's see what they're like. I've worked out what this is. It's basically fairy cakes / sponge cakes. You know, they look like muffins. They got the muffin style thing. You put them in the style tin and the whatever. It's them, except they've decapitated the tops. So basically, there's the muffin. There's the muffin top, or the sponge cake top. Because they have the flavour and the texture of sponge cake. So I guess sponge biscuits is fair. Legitimately. I approve of them. But make them last. Also, I'm going to have to put that down as a consider buying if I need a snack. Which is healthier than sugary stuff. Oh wait! Here's the one that I'm most looking forward to. Because apparently we've got Pierniki Usatiki. Thankfully, because I don't know that much Polish, we can translate it on the back. Somewhat sugar, which makes sense, because these are... Okay, that doesn't help. Where's the actual ingredients in English? They're Polish, I know that much, but... So it says on the label, because this I remember, because this is why I picked these up, because I thought this would be good for Christmas. This is sugar-coated Pierniki, which I believe is gingerbread. Sugar-coated gingerbread. So it sort of looks like glazed. Okay, they don't really look like gingerbread men. They look like gingerbread fidget spinners. Can I? No. Let's see. Ooh. It's not entirely gingerbread. It's like a kick in afterwards. Stop that. I do not know what that... It's gingerbread. But it's not your normal gingerbread. That's interesting. Oh, is that why? It's wheat flour and rye flour. And there's a touch of caramel in it. Ooh. That's probably why, I'm guessing. That's why it's got a different-ish taste. Well, yeah. It's not exactly what I thought it was going to be. But in hindsight, that ain't a bad thing. Also, well, what is a bad thing is I can't find the bloody grips. Oh, are they on one of those bags? Are they on a bag? Are they on a bag, sir? No, they're not. So while I'm wondering where they've gone, I'll let you go on about the rest of your day. Where the hell did they go?